Okay, hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk GoPro some more. Now this is for specifically the GoPro 11 Mini, but what I want to talk about right now is photos. How do you take photos on the GoPro 11 Mini? And the answer to that is you can't. There is no photo mode, okay? That's the one thing that the 11 Mini does not have compared to the other GoPros. There's no photo mode. Now, the question is that important? Does that even matter? And the answer to that is probably not. It probably does not matter. And let me show you why right now. Okay, do you see those photos? I took those with the GoPro 11 Mini. So how did I do that? Well, it's actually quite simple. All you do is just record like you always have been in 5.3K, the highest resolution. Okay, so shoot everything in 5.3K. You can use any of the digital lenses that you want, linear, wide, super view, hyper view, whatever. Probably going to go around wide is what I would shoot on, maybe super view. Maybe linear. I mean, any of those three. I probably would not hyperview, but any of the other three. And so you just record a video. You can record it in 30 frames a second, 60 frames a second. One of those two options is what I would probably suggest. And you simply take a photo out of the video. So with the Quick app, on the GoPro Quick app, go into your file, sync the file up, go into it, and you'll see where you can grab a photo. There's actually an option for that, to take a photo out of any video that you've shot. And if you're shooting in 5.3K, the highest resolution that any GoPro camera can shoot at, you can pull 27 megapixel photos. So, if you're looking for a photo, got a helicopter going over. If you're looking for a photo with that bokeh effect, kind of like the iPhones do, or your Samsung phones, or any kind of phone with where the background's blurred out, GoPros can't do that. So you'd have to edit to make a photo do that on a GoPro anyway, even if it had the photo mode. And in those types of photos, I would just use my phone, honestly. But if you're wanting some kind of action shot, you absolutely can do it from a GoPro 11 Mini just by simply pulling a photo out of the video. Easy peasy, job done.